Hi guys, now you know the basics about Java and programming. So our next target is to run a Java program in our PC. To do that, we need to install the JDK in our PC. Now we are going to do that. I'll provide you with a link to download the JDK in the description. Go to that link after opening your browser. It will direct you to this one. Now you have to click download JDK. Here there are different setups for different operating systems. Now I am using Windows, so I am going to download this one. Before doing that, you have to accept the license agreement by clicking this one. After that, you can download by clicking this. Now save file. We have to wait until it finishes downloading. Okay, the download is finished. Now we can go to the folder and run the setup. Next, I'm going to change installation path because I already have my JDK in this path. And okay, next it's installing. Now that Java JDK is installed here, just install. So now there's one more thing to do. You have to set the path of to this location of the bin folder of the JDK. How to do that? Right click this PC, properties, then advanced system settings, environmental variables, then the path, edit this path and new, paste it. Okay, now the path is set for your JDK. Okay, and okay. Now your computer is set to run a Java program. We'll see how to run the Java Hello World program in the next video. Thanks for watching. Do like the video if you learned something, and don't forget to subscribe our channel codeJunction. Thank you. See you in the next video.